Hello, I'm Simon Cadbury, Director of Strategy.
And I'm Tom Stinton, Head of Product.
At Intelligent Environments, we help our clients to enhance the end-to-end digital experience.
Today, we're going to show you how our awesome customer experience platform that we call Interact is helping to bring the process of managing customer debt into the digital age.
We want to show you that by offering a service that improves your customer experience, cuts your costs, and increases your accounts receivables, the traditional model of debt collections is dead.
While consumers continue to get into financial difficulty, their habits and their expectations are changing. The current model for collections is ripe for transformation. Customers hate receiving aggressively worded letters. They also cannot stand being hounded by phone calls that put them on the spot. What most people prefer is a digital engagement that is convenient, discreet, and visually interactive.
Let's imagine Tom here works for a credit card issuer and logs into the Interact Manager portal. While many of our clients will link their back office directly through APIs, Tom is choosing to extract the data from his database and upload it. Once he's done that, he can set the rules he wants his customers to abide by. For example, the types of payments he's prepared to accept.
Seem to have a connectivity issue here.
Because Tom works for a credit card issuer, he doesn't want to pay off his debt with another credit card, so he won't allow that rule to work. He can also set the minimum payment he's prepared to accept, and also the maximum length of a repayment plan. Finally, he can review the content he wants his customers to see. So he's uploaded the data, he's set the rules, and he's reviewed the content. We're ready to fire the starting gun. The Interact Customer Contact Engine cranks into action. Let's see this through the eyes of one of Tom's customers. Let's imagine his name's Francis. Francis receives a secure notification on his phone. The Interact Collect engine offers notifications via email, SMS, Facebook Messenger, and will soon support the new service from WhatsApp that offers verified business accounts. He opens up the portal powered by Interact. The first thing you'll notice here is the conversational approach. The research that we've done shows that both the language and tone of voice has a huge impact on results. It has to be both humane and motivational. The first task Francis undertakes is to validate his contact details and preferences. If he doesn't go on to make another payment or anything else, this validation alone is of incredible value to the creditor. He's then presented with the debt that he owes, in this case, £2,019. If he can make that payment immediately, which is what 26% of customers do within just 15 minutes, he can make a secure payment via Apple Pay or card scan. And for many, that's it. That's the end of the journey. But because Francis can't do that, the workflow engine takes him to the next option and offers him the option to set up a payment plan. Now, Francis doesn't know what he can afford to pay. So the workflow asks him to undertake an income and expenditure review. And here's the really, really great thing. With Interact Collect, we've made it really, really easy for Francis. That's because we've integrated the service with open banking APIs. Francis can select his current account, he can authenticate himself, and he can authorize for his transaction history to be viewed. All of this, taking this task on the phone takes about 40 minutes. So by moving it online, we're driving a huge saving in contact center time. Not only that, users are reported to be less intrusive, more motivational, and educational. Francis is given an instant idea of the amount of money he can put aside. Customers love seeing this visually. Once he's got an idea of that, he can select how much he wants to put towards his debt repayment and when he wants to start paying that off. A debt repayment plan is dynamically generated, giving him a nice graphical overview of exactly when and how that debt will be paid off. So you've seen today a non-confrontational and highly collaborative approach for managing debt, one that's leveraged secure notification, chatbot-style functionality, open banking APIs, and emerging payment technology, all designed to reduce the friction of managing debt. So how do we see the results? Let's return to the manager portal and look at a brand that Tom here has been managing for some time. Here you can see an overview of all the accounts that have been uploaded, the customers that have been contacted, and the outcomes that have been generated. We see a 20 to 25% uplift in first-time resolution versus the traditional call and collect process. You can also look at the effectiveness of the channels and an overview of customer sentiment. For example, how NPS has improved since the solution's been implemented. So today, you've seen how you can take the process of debt collection and move it into the digital age, a process that will cut your costs, improve your customer experience, and increase your accounts receivables. Not only that, it'll prepare you for more challenging economic conditions. According to PwC, a mere 1% rise in interest rates is going to add a further £500 of debt burden to every household. So if you want to be prepared for more challenging economic times, and you want to see how we can make an almost instant return on your investment, please come and talk to us afterwards.
The Interact Collect capability that you've just seen is only one part of the wider Interact platform. It's a platform that financial services companies use to accelerate and quickly implement their digital futures across the entire customer lifecycle. Thank you for your time, and we hope you loved our demo.
We'd be really grateful for your vote and look forward to meeting you afterwards. Thank you very much.